Pipeline CRM review. Watch before using. Most people believe that more leads automatically mean more sales. The surprising truth is that most businesses lose deals because they fail to follow up properly. Pipeline CRM is a sales-focused customer relationship management platform built for small and medium businesses that need simple, powerful deal tracking. From the moment a lead enters your system, Pipeline helps you organize, track, and close sales faster. Here's how it works. You create sales pipelines that match your real sales process. Each stage represents a step in your deal flow, such as new lead, contacted, meeting scheduled, proposal sent, and closed. Every deal moves visually across your pipeline, so you always know what needs attention. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Pipeline CRM stands out. It focuses on actions, not just data. You can assign follow-ups, reminders, calls, and meetings directly to each deal. This prevents leads from going cold and keeps your sales team accountable. Pipeline also includes email integration, automatic logging of activities, and detailed reports that show conversion rates, deal values, and sales forecasts. This helps business owners predict revenue and improve weak points in their process. Pipeline CRM is ideal for service businesses, consultants, agencies, and sales teams that want clarity instead of clutter. If you want better follow-ups and more closed deals without complicated software, Pipeline CRM is a smart choice. Subscribe now for more honest software reviews that save you time and money.